This can be the test. Okay, cool. Show them how we get over the gate.
One through.
Yeah. Doesn't look as pretty as in real life.
These my dollars make it hurt.
Now we're trying to build the compost. So I'm gonna crack some eggs in these little gardens, which are growing some healthy plants. We're building up the soil. These eggs were already broken, so I'm not wasting. And then you just break up the shells, and you can take some leaves and put it over. And that will mulch and make some healthy soil. Hey. Put some in those trees over there. Some shells. I'm putting it here. And then we're gonna head over there to the apple trees.
I can't wait for us to have a little braai here. Look how cute this braai is.
And the pizza oven.
Yeah, and then here's a little pizza oven over here. So Rebecca and them have owned this house only for a few months now, but they grew up here as children, and they are going to renovate the house, which is over there.
Yeah, so this whole property has been around for many years. It's a farmhouse. And it's a bit degraded and falling apart. This is a dam. I learned how to swim in this dam. It's usually filled with water.
Oh.
And these are old apple trees. And we have some grapevines over here. So as you can see, it's super dusty at the moment. We're trying to build up the soil and replenish the land so that we can plant some more fruit trees, some vegetables.
Because this soil is desert Karoo soil. It's very very dusty.
So now Sam's gonna do a couple. I don't know how interesting this is for you guys. Building up soil. So you mulch. If you want to build up soil, what you do is you build these little ridges.
Why? Because the water gets caught in here. It's like a dam, and then the water can sink in under the tree and build a water level underground.
Yeah. And then you also bring all the dead leaves so that they mulch and make healthy soil. And what Sam's doing is,
Look how nice the soil is compared to the rest of the garden.
yeah, so now Sam's continuing to put the eggs in the garden.
Yum, yum, yum.
So we're going to renovate all of that, rebuild up this dam, rebuild the soil here, redo this gate. Looks a bit decrepit at the moment, and that's because it has pretty much been abandoned. No one's been living here for many years. So yeah, looks a bit gloomy, but we will restore it soon.
But he said now that they
An abandoned house.
Let's go see what's inside.
See the stars?
Yeah. Don't you just love yourself and abandon us? You're a whole tree growing in it.
Cauliflower. I'm gonna chop this up.
What's that?
Some garlic flakes. Then some spices. It's nice to do it with the onions.
What's that?
Cumin. And then we've got some coriander. I don't measure, I just eyeball it. And then we're gonna do some curry powder. Some butter. This makes all the difference.
Butternut, potato, chickpeas. We're gonna put in some coconut milk,
Some more mushrooms.
mushrooms, cauliflower. Here we have tomato, onions, and all the spices.
Now we're gonna add the potatoes and the butternut. This will feed us for so long.